Hello, my name is Michelle McKissick, and I'm chair of the Shelby County Schools Board, and I stand against bullying.
Hello, my name is Elise Lynn Jones, and I'm a fourth grader at Germantown Elementary School, and I stand against bullying.
Hello, my name is Dr. Althea Green. I am the vice chair of the Shelby County School Board. I stand against bullying.
Hello, my name is Joyce Doris Coleman, Shelby County School Board Member District 9, and I stand against bullying.
My name is Miles Jones. I'm from Germantown High School in 9th grade, and I stand against bullying.
Hello, my name is Shalia Harris, your Shelby County School Board member for District 5, and I stand against bullying.
Hello everyone, my name is Portia Knowlton and I'm from the Department of Exceptional Children and Health Service in the Office of Coordinated School Health. Did you know 1 in 5 students deal with bullying on a daily basis? On this Unity Day, we want you to join in with SCS as we say no to bullying.
We stand.
We stand
against bullying.
against bullying.
Against bullying.
We
stand against bullying.